This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2021 Sea Ray SPX 230. This boat has quantum blue hull color, black bimini, comes with the optional white Mercury Verado 200 motor. Sea decking on the swim platform, stone vinyl interior color, the infinity woven carpet in the cockpit, both analog gauges and Simrad display, fusion stereo, this boat does come with a head. Step forward to the bow, see a table for entertaining. Speakers in the front. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our other inventory, give us a call at MarineMax of Huntington, New York.